This week on Pishi Bomba,
we're gonna see how the blends are done.
Chef Ali is spicing up the kitchen this season of Ramadan, and in this episode, we're making chips masala and chicken tikka with our star ingredient, Rina vegetable oil.
We're gonna go in with Rina vegetable oil.
Okay,
bring
so
everything together.
straight in there. Look
Straight
at that.
in there.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Make sure you tune in this Sunday at 6:30 p.m. with me, Claire Karatu.
Haya, changanya na mkono.
Umesema ni vurunya.
Vurunya na mkono wako.
Vurunya.
Unavurunya vizuri. Unateka na tonge hivi. Gather everything together on your hand. Just and now lift it up. And bismillah, let's do this. Goodness.
Only on NTV. Pishi Bomba. Cook, eat, enjoy.
Pishi Bomba, in association with Rina.
This Ramadan, celebrate the moments and meals that bring us together. Wishing you peace, joy and unity. Ramadan Kareem.